Prepare your company for relentless market oscillations, because stability, in the classical sense, is no longer the operating baseline of modern supply chains. From the vantage point of a contemporary observer, one might say we are living through an era of economic theater. One day brings proclamations of impending collapse, energy shocks, geopolitical fractures, disrupted trade corridors, while the next offers cautious optimism, whispers of peace agreements, restored alliances, and stabilizing indices. The narrative shifts daily, sometimes hourly. Yet amid this oscillation between apocalyptic foresight and diplomatic hope, one truth remains constant. Uncertainty is no longer a risk. It is the environment itself. But you, as an entrepreneur, must not remain idle, hands folded, awaiting clarity that may never arrive. The responsibility now is not merely to react, but to anticipate, to build a supply chain that does not depend on predictability to function. Your enterprise, and equally your suppliers, must be conditioned to operate under dual pressures: volatility in oil prices that ripple through transportation, production, and cost structures, and the simultaneous emergence and potential destabilization of artificial intelligence systems, whose rapid evolution may either enhance efficiency or introduce systemic fragility. What we are witnessing is not a single trend, but a convergence of forces, each capable of reshaping the economic landscape independently, yet now acting in concert. To navigate such a period requires a subtle but decisive shift in mindset. Resilience is no longer about resistance, it is about adaptability with intent. The most forward-thinking organizations are those that treat disruption not as an interruption, but as a recurring feature of operations. They diversify not only their supplier base, but also their assumptions. They invest in visibility across their supply chains, not for control alone, but for comprehension. They cultivate relationships that extend beyond transactional exchanges, fostering collaboration that can withstand pressure when markets contract or fragment. Equally, there is a need for intellectual agility within leadership. Decisions must be made with incomplete information, yet grounded in scenario thinking, where multiple futures are not only imagined, but operationally prepared for. This includes accepting that both extremes, surging costs and sudden deflation, technological acceleration and abrupt regression, may occur within the same fiscal cycle. In such a landscape, hesitation is far more dangerous than imperfection. The companies that will endure are not those that predict the future correctly, but those that prepare for its unpredictability with discipline, clarity, and courage.